Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video on our Brick Champion channel. It's been a long time, but it was worth the wait. In this video we'll take a closer look at the all new LEGO Technic Liebherr LR13000. I was excited right away when this set got announced last year in 2022, and I was very disappointed when the release was postponed to this year. Because the moment LEGO announced it, I knew I wanted to build it. It comes at a steep price, but I was able to get my hands on it for much less than the official price of 680 euros or $700. Even much less than 500 euros. And I tell you all about it in another video that will follow shortly. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will not miss it. Now, I have completed the build and a video about that will follow shortly as well. And now let me show you the unboxing process and all the stuff that comes with this large crane, and I tell you what I like and what not. So here it is, the Liebherr packaging in a black box like all the 18+ themed LEGO sets. The box is not that large compared to the complete build. It's 52 centimeters or 20 inches high. And it does have a straightforward design with the Technic set displayed from various perspectives. Of course, it's a LEGO Technic Control Plus set, so you'll need a smartphone and a whopping 12 AA batteries to power the two control hubs. You might think that with this high price there may be a smartphone included. Well, obviously not. Batteries then? Nope. The batteries are not included, so make sure you have enough of them in store before you start your build. Now, on the side of the box are the dimensions of the build, which by the way are not correct. The actual build is higher, and I'll show you that in another video. Now, for a $700 set, the packaging could be or should be more exciting. I remember very well unboxing the LEGO Technic Ferrari Daytona last year. That was a truly awesome experience. And it was a $400 set. This one is $700. But let's be honest, what can you make of a crawler crane? In real life it's just a big chunk of steel. It's heavy metal literally. And while an Italian design supercar is meant to stir up the senses, if you know what I mean. So that's being reflected in the packaging, and well, for a crawler crane, this is what you get. Now guys, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. It contains 5 white boxes and an envelope with the building instructions and the sticker set. Now, the large box of those 5 contains all the plastic bags numbered 1 to 5, and the other boxes contain the larger elements. Now, one of those smaller white boxes is pretty heavy because it holds the 2 control hubs, 6 motors, and the 24 counterweight elements. There has been much discussion and rumor about this, the counterweight elements, so it's really cool to see them in real life. Now, the building instructions are divided into 2 manuals. The first one starts with some information and pictures about the real Liebherr LR13000, and it's huge by any metric. That thing is crazy. Now, the building process of the Technic set contains 5 milestones, and after each milestone you need to check the functionality of the build using the Control Plus app on your smart device. Now guys, can't wait to start building and see this thing in action. Now let me know what your thoughts are about this set, the packaging and the pricing. Now take care, and until next time.